Presenting Noise Buds VS104 Truly Wireless Earbuds. It is available in colors mint green, midnight blue and snow white. The box contains Bluetooth headphone, charging case, charging cable, user manual and warranty registration card. These wireless earbuds connect using Bluetooth version 5.2 and its IPX5 water resistance. It gives sound that hits the right note every single time via the 13mm speaker driver. It offers 45-hour playtime and features Instacharge that gives 200 minutes of playtime in just 10 minutes of charge. It comes with quad mics with ANC for free-flowing conversation no matter where you are. These earbuds provide low latency up to 50 milliseconds to experience no audio lag during your daily gaming sessions. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.